Miss Ariana from the East Greenbush Community Library. Today we're going to make something really fun, and it might drive your parents a little crazy. So what you're going to need is a toilet paper tube, or you could cut down or even use a very long paper towel tube. See how that turns out. You will need a rubber band, you will need a pencil, and some sort of round, either a top or a bowl around the side to trace, and either wax paper or parchment paper. If you don't have any of those things, you could probably try using some wrapping paper, some cellophane wrap, or even tin foil. I'm not sure how that will sound, but we'll find out. So what you're going to do is have an adult poke a hole in the toilet paper tube. Just a small, just a hole in the middle. Hope that's not too big. I think it'll be okay. Just like that. Next, you can decorate your tube. I have some stickers and some markers. I used a circle to trace a piece of my parchment paper, or you could use wax paper. And then I put it over the top of the toilet paper tube, aka our kazoo, and I rubber banded it around tight. Here comes the cat again. Let's see if he likes this. That was awesome. If you don't have parchment paper, you don't have wax paper, or even if you do, let's see if tin foil works. Have someone punch a little hole in your toilet paper tube. Decorate it if you want. Let's put some tin foil over it. See what happens. They both work. Have fun, guys.